Hello everyone, I'm Adharna Itila from Vikramanasanu School and College, grade 9. In today's session and the workshop, we learned about mental health issues, including other communication skills. And we know there are a lot of mental health issues that people face, right? Like children, teenagers face depression, anxiety, PTSD from somebody they love dying. These mental health issues have a huge connection with emotional intelligence because that's how other people could help. Somebody with high emotional intelligence would understand how other people are feeling, how a person with a mental health issue is feeling, and they could help them because they have empathy and social skills. They could understand them and learn what to say and not to say. People with high emotional intelligence usually have a higher empathy than other people. They have a higher emotional vocabulary, a higher self-control, and a higher understanding of emotions. These people with higher emotional intelligence could help other people and decrease their depression and sadness, or share it so that other people could so that they could feel better, because sharing sadness actually decreases the sadness.